Want crystal clear OBS recordings? Let's fix your settings in minutes. Open OBS, go to File, and choose Settings from the menu. In the menu, open Output Settings. If you are in the Advanced tab, switch to the Simple tab. Now, go to the Recording section. Here you will see video quality. I personally use, and recommend, high quality, medium file size. This option records in high quality while using fewer PC resources. But if you want even more HD visuals and details in your recordings, and you don't want the quality to ever drop, you can choose the other two options: indistinguishable quality, large file size, or lossless quality. Keep in mind, these options use more PC resources and require much larger storage space. If you have an Nvidia graphics card, set the video encoder to hardware NVENC H264. If you have an AMD graphics card, choose hardware AMD H264 AVC. This will give you better performance compared to software encoding. Then apply the settings and you're good to go. That's it! Now you know how to improve your recording quality in OBS. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.